So guys, HP EliteBook 850 driver download. If you have a generations like G5, G1, G6, so simple you enter after 850 G7 and which is you generations using. So go to this officially website support.hp.com, right click to new tab. You can see here select operating system. So no worry if I am showing Windows 11, but Windows 10 installation also same. Then scroll down, BIOS, system BIOS, click to download. It is start here. After completed, just single click to setup. Then click to yes. Next, I accept. Next, next. Then restart your system. Thank you. So guys, then extract firmware. So install SSD firmware. Click to download. After downloaded, open setup. Then click to yes. Then next, I accept. Next, next. So then enter the yes. Y means yes, and then hit enter, again hit again, and then close and then restart. Then extract network driver. So VLAN driver means Wi-Fi driver. You can install this one also. Wireless means Wi-Fi, VLAN means Wi-Fi. Click to download. Click to setup. After downloaded, then click to yes. Then next, I accept. Next, next, and then finished. Scroll down. Extract network driver. You can see Bluetooth driver. Then click to download. It is downloaded. Just single click. Then yes. Intel Bluetooth driver. Then yes. Then next, next, and finished. Then guys, extract network. So this is LAN driver. So click to download. It is completed. Just single click. Then yes. Ethernet means LAN. Yes. Then next, I accept. Next, next, and finished. After that, restart your system. Then scroll down, extract keyboard, mouse, column, and you can see the fingerprint driver, touch fingerprint driver. Click to download. After completed, then single click to open. Just yes. See, this is touch print fingerprint. Then next, accept, next, and finish it. Now this is install. Then restart. Then extract keyboard and mouse like that. So you can see here the camera driver. Click to download. We'll start here. You can see when it is completed, just single click. After that, yes, you can see this camera driver. Then next, I accept. Next, next. Now this is installing. After that, restart your system and then check it. Scroll down. You can see the graphic card driver. So this is NVIDIA graphic, this is Intel driver. Driver to any and installations same, almost same. Okay, just single click to download. You can see here after that is downloading start. Wait few seconds, it will complete. I show you how to install. Then guys, click to graphic card driver. After that, okay, you can see here the video graphic card driver Intel. Try to install and accept. Next. Then restart and check. So guys, then extract chipset. Okay, install Intel chipset. This one install management engine and click to download. After that, it will start downloading. Then completed, just single click. then yes, next, I accept, then next, next. Then guys, restart your system and then check. Scroll down, you can see here the extract audio driver. This is audio driver. Just click to download. After that it is downloading here. Okay, you can see here. So guys, after that just single click to setup. Then guys, click to yes, SD audio driver. You can see here the next, I accept, next, next. Then guys, finish, then restart your system. Scroll down, you can see here the firmware and driver duck. So USB-C type firmware, and just click to download. It will start downloading here. Then you can see click to setup, then yes, then next, I accept, next, next. Now this is installed. After that restart your system.